Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cannoli shells. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of white wine, and a small pinch of salt. Finally, have plenty of vegetable oil for frying. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and salt. Cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, add the egg and white wine, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This next step is crucial for perfect shells. Roll your dough out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Use a 3-inch or 4-inch round cutter to create your dough circles. Lightly moisten one edge of each circle with water, then wrap it around a cannoli form, pressing the moistened edge firmly to seal it. This ensures they hold their shape. Finally, it's time to fry these beauties. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few wrapped forms into the hot oil, frying until they are golden brown and beautifully crisp, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove them with tongs, let them cool slightly, then gently slide the shells off the forms to cool completely on a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.